What's he doing now? He's ripped it up again. I don't believe it. Hello and welcome to another edition of Let's Rip Up the Train Set and Start Again. Yes, I have a little bit. There's going to be some more changes. With me, the layout's constantly developing, new ideas come in, and so I have to work on them. And so let me show you what we've been doing. Right, as I said on the intro, I'm going to do some changes, and the first thing I'm going to do is change this area over the workbench. Now, originally the fiddle yard started sort of around about where the blue finishes on the back scene here, and then the rest of the curve was all part of the fiddle yard. Ignore that board standing up there. But what I want to do is to move the station. So to move the station, I want to put in a bit of a platform along the back here, which will mean I'll have the two running lines coming along in front. There'll be another platform around about there somewhere, and then the third running line will come along here. So I need to widen the board, I need to cut out some of this area here, and then I need to relay and rewire the entrance to the fiddle yard. So we'll see how far we get today and show you a bit more later. Okay, right, well obviously I can't run any trains at the moment, so let's have a look at some other layouts, and we seem to be doing that a lot lately, but never mind. It's better than no trains at all. Then we'll come back and see what's happening over in the station area.
Is it Ascot Drive? Don't they do that? Or they just face that? Sherfield something. I forgot, 1 hour at the shop they used to do.
Have you noticed I put a water tap in since you come last time? Saw it last time.
Yeah.
So very sharp, built it last week. Needs it.
The
trouble is now I've seen an 001 over there on this layout there. So
yeah.
I've got one for the other one as well, and I'm going to get one for the other one.
Yeah.
Well, it is a nice man. Okay, we'll read here.
No, you're right.
Yeah, fine.
So I'm videoing.
What he has is 50 yards at the back. Big first straight down. He stops and changes in the
Yeah. Wagons on this one. Right, what I've done, I've added a piece of wood along the front here, just a couple of inches, tapering down as it gets to that end, because that end was wider anyway. And that's roughly what we'll have. I'll put a back seam behind the Art Deco building, and there'll be a road across in front of it, and then obviously girders along the front of the bridge. There'll be two tracks through the middle. I've got to relay those yet. Platform at the back, that one there, and then a centre island platform, and then a track at the front. So yeah, good morning's work so far. Saturday morning well spent. All I've got to do now is lift the track and relay it, and then put the platforms in. Good stuff. So this is the station area now, with the rear platforms in place, and the island platform will go around about there somewhere, and then there will be this wall at the front here. It's got to come out nearer the edge of the baseboard, so the new top, but there'll be a track going through along the back there behind that wall, and that'll come off from around about here somewhere and come off the loop, and then as I say, let's move that 60 out of the way. There we go. So that's the island platform in position there, the main platform and the island platform in position. The building on the top will have the roadway in front of it, and there'll be a small car park, I expect, or something. And then you've got the start of the normal fiddle yard. So the normal fiddle yard used to start here anyway, and I've reinstated the crossover there so that everything working off the loops can be crossed over from each direction in and out of the yard there. So that's where we are at the moment with this, and the next job is to finish this area now and get some power back on and be able to test it. So we'll be doing that in the next few days, I hope. Let's go back to running some more trains.
Yeah, I'm over here, so I didn't know. Thanks very much. No, I was sitting in the middle. I'll take it back. Now you see
Superb little range, aren't they? The other one I've seen when it was in blue period at the NEC. No, the other one, the depot one. When he had class 50s and all that
I've put my hand up so Eddie Snowballs. Oh, wow. See Eddie Snowball there? That's outside that view. That bull. That bull. That Let's go straight
Right, well, I hope you enjoyed seeing some different trains running again, and just to show you where we're at, platforms, as we said, are in. This is now wired. I'm just about to run some trains in out of here, so I'll show you that, and then been playing around with some buildings. I'd like to get a level crossing in about here somewhere, and then disappearing off through the back seam maybe, but we'll see how that goes. But let's just run some trains in out of here and show you what we've got. Okay, I haven't put the sound on, but it just gives you some idea. So coming off the loop to begin with, and the train can come around and come on down through and will disappear underneath there. And again, coming off the loop, it can go through and run out onto the main line. Or it would normally be doing this from the opposite direction, but I'll just show you that so if it was coming from the clockwise direction, it can run over the crossover and off onto the loop that way. So there we go, that's where we're at this week. The next job now is to relay the fiddle yard. I was going to relay it anyway from 3 tracks in each direction to 4, so it's given me the perfect opportunity now to do that. So that's going to be the next job. Hopefully that will be done in time for next week, and we can show you what we've done. May even have some trains running on here again by next week. That would be nice. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and also enjoyed seeing other people's layouts as well. I always enjoy that because it gives me inspiration to start again. In fact, looking back at my old Kings Morton and the station I had on there, and also New Mills, was the reason that I decided to redo the station here and replan this area up along here. So that's all been as a result of watching previous videos that I've done. So there we go. There's still some signals to go in here and there, and another one to go in there for the end of that platform. So still bits to do, but we'll catch you again soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.